Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Chevy Colorado jack safely and effectively. First, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is on a firm, level surface. Engage the parking brake and block the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any unexpected movement. Always consult your owner's manual for the precise jacking points for your specific model year. Remember, never work under a vehicle supported solely by a jack. Now, let's find your jack and tools. In most Chevy Colorado models, these essential items are conveniently stored under the rear seat. Simply lift the rear seat cushion to reveal the compartment. Inside, you will find the bottle jack, the lug wrench, and the extension rods needed to operate the jack. Take a moment to ensure all these components are present and in good working order before you begin. Proper jack placement is crucial for stability and safety. For the front of your Colorado, locate the sturdy frame rail directly behind the front wheel. When lifting the rear, place the jack under the frame rail just in front of the rear wheel. Ensure the jack's saddle, or head, is centered and securely seated on the designated jacking point. This prevents slippage and potential damage to your vehicle. With the jack correctly positioned, assemble the handle and begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Turn the handle clockwise to lift. Only raise the vehicle high enough to comfortably remove the tire or perform your necessary work. Once lifted, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame near the jacking points. Then, gently lower the vehicle until it rests securely on the jack stands. This provides a safe working environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.